Hi, this is Brian Tarbert with TCS, and welcome to this Ubiquity Tech Tip video on Ubiquistat programming. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the different setpoint groups and also how to select the override setpoint pair. So I'll demonstrate how to match up occupied setpoint groups to different occupancy schedules, and then also how to program which setpoint group will be used whenever a thermostat is overwritten at the site from the unoccupied to the occupied mode. So to begin with, we'll go ahead and select our controller and then go right to the programming page. So the first thing you'll notice here, and if you watch some of our previous videos, you'll note that there's 4 different possible occupied schedules throughout a day that this particular Ubiquistat can use. And that corresponds down here to the different occupied setpoint groups. Occupied schedule A, B, C, and D obviously correspond to schedules A, B, C, and D. So you can see here, this is the main HVAC schedule. And then we created one called site closing, which basically says after the occupancy, main schedule occupancy, we're going to stay occupied with slightly different set points for the next hour. So we've got those schedules set up. So now we just need to go down here and program up our set points. So we're going to leave our occupied schedule A with our main schedule on 70 for heat and 74 for cooling. But for that last hour, when we've only maybe got a few staff members left, they're back in an office counting up or something like that, we maybe want to go to 68 and 76. Give a couple of degrees so that we can start saving a little bit of money right from the get-go after we close our site up. And then since we don't have a C and D schedule, we don't need to worry about what those set points are. However, we do need to worry about what the unoccupied set points are. So in that particular case, maybe we want to do a substantial setback. So we'll push the heating set point down to 58 and the cooling set point to 82. Now you may disagree or agree with those set points. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So that's how you match up the set point groups to the occupancy schedule. The other feature I wanted to show you is right here over override setpoint pair. So on the thermostat, there's a button where you can override the stat from the unoccupied mode to the occupied mode. And when you do that, it'll start using, instead of the unoccupied setpoint groups of, in this case, 58 and 82, it'll start using one of these pairs of occupied set points. So in this particular case, we're going to say that we want to use that occupied set point B. So when somebody comes in, maybe it's the cleaning crew late at night, and they hit the override button, they're going to get a heating set point of 68 and a cooling set point of 74. So that's a new feature we built into the Ubiquistat. So that shows you how to program up the set point groups and how to match those up to a override set point pair. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our TCS YouTube channel, and remember to check back for more of our in-depth Ubiquity Tech Tip videos.